What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton and today I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be installing this super minimal leave out half wig that I received from HerGivenHair. So let's go ahead and hop right in.
You know what I really hate? But y'all not ready for that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying.
So hopping right in with the unboxing, this is the box that the unit came in. I actually really like this packaging a lot. It was definitely very classy and well put together. They sent a silk bag for storage purposes and they sent some information cards that I found really useful. And they also had a Marla Negra on the front page of their contact information card, which I really liked. So the product specs for this wig is their 3-in-1 half wig, 18 inches, and I got the texture Coily, which is 3C to 4A, and I got the drawstring free size wig, meaning you can adjust it and it doesn't matter how big or small your head is. And this was just another little mini unboxing showing you guys the same stuff before showing you guys the construction of the wig. And I really like the construction of this wig. I'll get more into that a little bit later, but here's me taking the current wig off and showing you guys my leave out. Woo! We looking crazy, but we about to get cute, and this is my braiding pattern, which is just some straight backs. Hopping into the materials that I used to blend my hair, I used these perm rods, some bio silk oil, some Ebin foaming lotion, some eco styler gel. I also used this spray bottle, and I used this toothbrush and my dimming brush. It's a little chopped, and my edge styler for my edges. And I did kind of just put this wig cap on to protect my hair because this wig does have some combs on it, but it doesn't pull or anything like that. And this was the construction of the wig that I was telling you guys that I really like because it's really secure. Even though it's a half wig, it has a lot of clips, it has some adjustable straps, and it has a drawstring. So this is not coming off y'all head. Look how easy it is to put on. Honestly, if your hair texture matches any of the textures that they have on their site, these are going to be one of the easiest wigs to install. And I love that they're so versatile. You could do a half up, half down. You could pull it back. You can really do a lot. I decided to do a minimal leave out option because my hair is thinner. So honestly, this is a great wig if you have a lot of hair, or if you don't and you have thinner hair and you want your hair to look more full without doing too much to your natural hair or your leave out. So honestly, right now I was just combing through the hair and I only put spray in it at this point. I just didn't want it looking like it came straight out of the pack. And I also used some bio oil. I forgot to show you guys that, but this is how I was kind of just trying to comb it out and just give it some more volume and just not look so wiggy. And once I did this, it helped make it look a lot more natural. And this was honestly the easiest part. I think the most difficult part is getting my hair to blend, but I did have a little trouble blending my hair with this unit because part of the top of my head has some heat damage from the last time I wore straight clip-ins. I was flat ironing my hair every day for probably like 2 weeks, so I already kind of expected this to happen. So this made me really excited to try another curly hair wig that's pretty similar to my natural hair texture because I think it'll just help rejuvenate my curls at the top of my head to match the rest of my hair. And yeah, so this is what the unit is looking like thus far, and getting into blending my heat damaged part of my hair. As you guys can see, like even on the other side of my hair it's curling, but the top in the middle part it's not really curling if you guys pay attention. But paying attention, the first step is to make sure your hair is super duper saturated. I like to get my hair really wet, and it might be easier to just wet your head under the sink or in the shower or something like that, but I was just using a spray bottle so I could show you guys the process step by step. So this was me taking some of that eco styler gel and just putting a bunch all over my hair just to saturate it even more. And this is basically like the LOC method, which if you guys don't know means liquid oil and cream, or liquid cream and oil. I honestly was kind of doing it all over, but I just kept using my eco styler, the mousse, and the bio silk, and then I was just combing it with this dimming brush to just get my hair really saturated. I have very high porosity hair, so I have to put a lot of product in order for my hair to retain the product in it and actually like do something about it. So that's why y'all can see the product sits right on top of my natural hair because I have high porosity hair. I don't want you guys to get deterred by this install method for blending because it would be much easier if my hair was not heat damaged. So this is why I kind of have to do the most because my hair is heat damaged. But this wig is perfect if you have a kinky curly texture. So now I'm going to be going in with these perm rods. I got these from Sally's. You can really get them from anywhere, Walmart, Amazon. And I did used the perm rods incorrectly while showing you guys, so I'm sorry, but you're supposed to wrap the end of your hair around it first and then kind of go backwards, which I'll show you guys at the end when I started doing it right. But it's still gonna come out right, but the ends may not curl if you do it how I showed you guys, which I'm kind of sorry. But all you have to do, instead of just wrapping it from the top, start at the bottom and then wrap the rod going up, kind of like a curling iron. And as I'm doing this, you guys can see like the end of the curls kept sliding out, and that's because it's supposed to be rolled first so it doesn't, and then you roll it upwards so that it stays tight around the rod. Another tip for this blending method is also to make sure that you're sectioning really small, because if your sections and your parts are too big, then your hair might poof up if it doesn't retain product well. Okay, so now as you guys can see, I twisted the end of my section at the end of the rod and twisted it upwards. You should do it this way so that the end does not come out of the rod if you do it the way I originally was doing it. So I did have to redo them, but my camera died and I apologize. I hope this is not too confusing and y'all understand what I'm saying, because this is honestly a pretty easy method for making your hair match your extensions, but it just takes a little bit of time sometimes. And here I am just fixing up the baby hair and making the wig look a little more big, but I don't know why I did that when I was about to go to sleep. Okay guys, so I am going to be taking off this scarf. I did end up having to leave this in for like a whole day because when I did my hair last night, basically it was too wet. I woke up today and it was still wet, so I did take one curl out. Sorry guys, I woke up from a nap. I took one curl out so you guys can see one curl right there. I feel like my hair looks a little bit flat. But let's take him out and see. The key to blending after taking your rods out is to take those strands of curls and twist them with the curls of the wig or the extensions that you're trying to blend with. I think it looks super natural. But yeah, I think the most important part is just twisting your real hair with the curls to just make it blend really, really good. And once you do that, I think this wig is like more edge control over here. Y'all, even this little hair right here, it looks so natural. Like, I'm actually shook at how natural this looks. And it looks even better when I kind of pop it up some. Y'all see that? I love a good half wig because you can really make people think some shit like this is your hair. I'm about to be lying and telling everybody, oh, what girl? Yeah, that's my hair. What the heck? Yep, that's my hair.
Girl, shut up. That ain't your hair.
This actually looks so good. I'm like shocked right now.
Yeah, this is it. This is my new favorite.
Tell me this don't look like my real hair. You cannot tell me this don't look like my real hair, bro.
Okay, girl,
I've
we're
been
not gonna play
using
with you.
this edge fixer with black because I do have more like thinner edges. I really like this. I haven't used it yet, but I really like this because it'll make the appearance of my edges look a little like fuller, look a little bit thicker than it is. But yeah, I'm just going back and forth with that. Okay, y'all, so yeah, this is basically it. I am in love with how natural and
This hair just looks really, really good. I'm probably, when I do my hair tonight, I'm probably gonna break some of my curls down a little bit more like this one. I feel like it could look a little bit smaller, but I just think this looks really, really good. We are going to fix it tomorrow. Oh, and did I mention that it's super secure? It's because of the drawstring in the back. The drawstring definitely keeps it like flat and tight. This all me. This all me. This all me.
Girl, sit your ass
This
in.
all me. We are going to wrap it up with the final look tomorrow.
All right, y'all, so this is basically the end of this video. I am so in love with this half wig. I don't know why I said I love half wigs, because this was my first half wig that I've ever tried. Usually I try a U part. I think I like the half wig because it feels a lot more comfortable and flexible on my head. It's no pulling, it's very versatile, and you have a lot more freedom to do a half up, half down, pull the hair back. And just look at that blend, that bounce, and just how natural it looks, y'all. Please head over to HerGivenHair and use my promo code. Make sure I'll check the link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.